Hey guys, I hope you are ready to learn today because today we are going to be talking and learning about geometry and coordinate planes. So first we're going to be talking about the geometry of lines today. There are a few different types of lines, but the ones we're going to be talking about today are parallel lines and perpendicular lines. As some of you may know, parallel lines are two lines that are exactly right next to each other and are exactly the same. But perpendicular lines are two lines that meet and create a right angle. As a reference, a right angle is 90 degrees between two lines. Now that we know the difference between the two lines, we are going to be concentrating on what perpendicular lines create, a coordinate plane. Using a coordinate plane is a really easy way to collect data, which are facts or statistics of a reference or analysis. There are two coordinate plane lines. These lines are called axes. First, the bottom line will always be called the x-axis, and the line on the side will always be called the y-axis. So now on the coordinate plane, there are numbers on both axes called scales. The scale might be going up in different intervals, for example, 5, and that would look like 5, 10, 15, 20. But today we're only going to be going in intervals of 1, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on both axes. These numbers are there on the coordinate plane to help you find the coordinates that you are looking for. In some questions, coordinates may be given to you and you need to find them on the coordinate plane, or there might be a question where there's a point on the coordinate plane and you need to find out what the coordinate is. When you are looking for or finding a coordinate, you must remember that the coordinates always must be two numbers within parentheses on the with parentheses on the outside. To find the coordinate is the first number is always going to be the x coordinate, and the second number is always going to be the y coordinate. To find where a coordinate is on the coordinate plane, you will have to line up the x-coordinate with the x-coordinate pair to the number that it matches on the x-axis scale. And you will need to do the exact same thing on the y-coordinate as well. This will then make one point on the graph or grid. So let's try an example. Let's start with the coordinate pair of 2, 4. We will line up the 2 on the x-axis, then we will bring it up where it will reach the 4 on the y-axis. Then it will look like this. Let's try a few examples. First we will try and find where this coordinate will be. And I will also give you a little bit to try and find them too. So for this answer, we are going to go up to 5, and then up to 7, and then that's what it will look like. Let's try another one. So for this one, you're going to do just like what we did for the last one. You're going to go to 10 and then up to 1 on the y-axis. Let's do one last one for practice. Got your answer? Good. So, just like all the other ones, we're going to go to 8 on the x-axis, and then we're going to go all the way up to 11 on the y-axis. Although it is just math, you can also do a lot of fun stuff with coordinate planes and coordinates. You can connect these coordinates with line, creating fun shapes and polygons. These polygons could be stop signs and octagons, or triangles and pyramids. It's all up to your imagination. Thank you everyone for watching. I really hope you learned something and really enjoyed this video, and hopefully you will be able to use the knowledge that you just learned today in later math class in your life. Bye.